Hey everyone, I'm Leon from Hollyland and I'm thrilled to be here. This time, I'm excited to introduce our latest webcam, Lyra. Lyra is equipped with a large 1/1.5-inch CMOS sensor and an f1.8 wide aperture, dramatically improving its light capture for richer, more vibrant videos. It supports 4K at 30 fps or 1080p at 60 fps, delivering true-to-life colors and exceptional detail. With face detection autofocus, it locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, while AI-powered face tracking and auto-framing keep you perfectly centered. The built-in omnidirectional mic offers crisp voice pickup with smart noise reduction, and it even comes with a built-in Lock A1 receiver for seamless pairing with the Lock A1 transmitter. Plus, Lyra features a skin retouching mode, time-present positions, and rotate the lens to block the webcam. Thanks to our Hollyland self-developed cutout algorithm and built-in background library, you can set up a professional green screen live stream in no time. Lyra also works smoothly with mainstream conferencing apps, making it the perfect choice for live streaming and remote collaboration. Now, let's unbox and see what's inside. Now, let's dive into the specific features and how to use your new Lyra. Status indicator light shows the device working status at a glance. Built-in microphone is an omnidirectional mic that captures your voice clearly. Key specs handles sound levels up to 128 decibel sound pressure level, with a frequency response from 100 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It boasts a signal-to-noise ratio of higher than 65 decibel and 20 decibel noise cancellation. Smart Tag features AI noise cancellation and an ALC algorithm for crisp, clean audio. Lens, a high-quality lens with a 6.6mm fixed focal length and a bright f1.8 aperture. Built-in privacy shutter. Simply rotate the lens to cover the camera and instantly protect your privacy. On the back, you will see a USB-C 3.0 port. It supports UVC, so you can just plug it and it will work right away. Lyra can be set up in two different ways. It can be attached a monitor using the magnetic base or mounted on a tripod via the 1/4-inch threaded hole at the bottom of the magnetic base. You can connect Lyra to the computer using the included USB-C to USB-C cable and the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Once connected, the indicator light stays on and the device is ready to use. After connecting, you can use OBS or other platforms to capture video feeds from Lyra, or use Holly Studio software for image editing. Next up, let's explore the powerful features of the Holly Studio software. Holly Studio gives you full control with parameter adjustments for focal length, shutter speed, ISO white balance, and more. It also supports professional color grading, allowing you to create and save your own custom looks. FOV page adjusts your field of view and present up to 10 different camera angles for quick and seamless switching during your stream or call. Stickers and overlays. Import your own images or graphics to spice up your video feed. Holly Studio software supports Hollyland's self-developed cutout algorithm. You can replace a green screen background with a custom background image or adjust the background size and shape for more natural visual effects. Skin perfecting. Find this feature on the right side toolbar to enable and adjust the natural-looking skin smoothing. Next, just click the color correction button in the same toolbar. Use the color picker to select and adjust specific colors. Fine-tune parameters such as hue, saturation, and exposure. Using these effects, once you have set up your effects, click the icon in the upper right corner. Then open software like OBS and you will see the enhanced video source ready to use. Tackling background noise, easily enable the built-in mic noise cancellation feature directly within Holly Studio for clear voice pickup. AI tracking and auto framing. Lyra supports face tracking and auto framing. You can toggle face tracking in the camera settings and auto framing within the FOV settings. This smart feature keeps you perfectly centered in the frame. Level up your audio by pairing Lyra with a Lug A1 microphone. Enjoy crystal clear, studio quality sound without being limited by distance. Here's how to connect. In Hollyland Studio, enable Lyra's Bluetooth and tap Start Pairing. This puts Lyra into pairing mode. Press and hold the power button on your powered off Lug A1 mic for about 5 seconds until it enters pairing mode. Lyra and the Lug A1 will connect automatically, just like that. Plus, one Lyra can support up to 2 Lug A1 mics at the same time. Need to switch orientations? No problem. In Hollyland Studio, just click the button above the preview to flip between horizontal and vertical views instantly. Perfect for different platforms and setups. Want to save your footage? Just hit the record button in Hollyland Studio to capture your video and save it directly to your computer. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. You can visit the official website for more information. If you have other teaching videos you want to watch, please let me know in the comments section. See you next time.